Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We will now continue with the Dow Chronicles. And our next stock on the list is the Chevron Corporation, ticker symbol CVX. Let's take a look. Okay, market cap $304 billion, PE ratio 8.78, earnings per share $18.19. And a dividend yield, a very nice yield of 3.76%. That's very nice. The analysts say it's near fair value. Okay. The highest it's ever been, it looks to me, at $186, November 7th of 22. So that won't be exact, but it's close. So the highest it's ever been is about 186 ever. And right now it's 159. And let's take a look back in, check this out. So let's go back 10 years. So I like to do that a lot. So back in April 1st of 2013, it was 118. Well, it's only 159, so, not good, but let's not forget there's the dividend. So, okay, let's scroll down, take a look at let's see. The revenue, okay, the past, from 2020, it's been straight up, and the earnings they were negative in 2020, but then went up in 21 and 22. Of course, we all know about the crazy gas prices. We understand that. So, okay, well, that's that, isn't it? Okay, let's go to statistics. No messing around here. We're going to get these done here. Okay, trailing PE, 9.09. Forward PE, 10.45. Okay. Here's the juice. Here we go. Profit margin, 14.52%. Operating margin, 20.14%. Very nice. Return on assets, over 12%. Return on equity, over 23%. Very nice. Total cash, $17.9 billion. Total debt, $27.37 billion. Operating cash flow, $49.6 billion positive. And positive levered free cash flow at $36.18 billion. The payout ratio is 31%. So, it all sounds really good, right? Sounds pretty good. So let's go to the analysis. I don't need to go to financials for this, because we all pretty much know where gas prices are going and headed, right? I mean, pretty much we know about that. So let's see. Current year. Okay, so let's go to sales. Let's go straight to sales. Let's see. For 2023, negative 13%, and 2024 is 0%. Well, that's effing awful, isn't it? So, here's my take on Chevron. All right. No. It's not a buy. I don't know if I would even hold it. I'd probably sell it, because usually gas, it's around 2 something a gallon. It goes up and down, and like I said, long term, I don't think you're going to make much money. Now, there's a nice yield, don't get me wrong, and that's great and wonderful, but I really think you can do better. It's gas. We all know how this goes. It seems like every 10 years or something, for a couple years, it goes up, to like maybe $4, $5, $3.75 or something, and then for the next 10 years it's down to $2.50. So no, I'm not a fan of gas companies. I never have been, or maybe I should say oil companies. I never have been. So just on that basis alone, because like I said, in 10 years, what would you have made? Almost 20% or something in 10 years. I know there's the dividend, but that's not enough to cover the loss of the capital appreciation you could have been getting somewhere else. So they're not reliable. They're not steady. It's one of these like commodity things, right? I don't like it. So no, in my opinion, Chevron is not a buy. To me, it's probably not even a hold. If I owned it, I'd probably sell it and I wouldn't buy anymore. And listen, that pretty much goes for any gas company. So want to keep this short and sweet, and there's not that much to talk about. I mean, this is pretty simple stuff, so that's it. Thank you so much for being here. and bless each and every one of you. Peace.